Now, the proper way to use a knife. It's easy. Now, by the way, this knife is like I think it's an old Japanese design, but I really love it because it does everything. Like, everything adequately. It's really useful in that respect. It's the knife I'm using all the time. So, how to hold the knife properly. Your knuckles are the guide. Your front knuckles and the top knuckles, the middle knuckle, sorry. So what's important here is that that's your guide. So the knife, not the blade part, the knife should be sort of sliding across the skin there. And your thumb should be curled back behind those fingers at all times. It's a big rule. All times, always behind there. And you'll find you might have, until you get used to it, you might have a tendency to put your finger there. Don't. That's how you lose your thumb. Always put it behind. If you nip yourself once, you'll learn the lesson. Trust me. I've been there. So now you put the point of the knife facing down on the blade, but just be mindful that the more that blade touches the board, the more it blunts. So, don't be too aggressive with that push down at the front there. So now it's more sliding than it is. Am I correctly? Yeah, sliding. Because it's funny, you do things automatically, you forget how you do them. You just know how to do them. There you go, and you slide it, and then that helps you control where the knife is going. And the blade is always sort of slightly facing out. Just because it's, for me, I find it's just a little bit safer. It's a bit babying yourself, but later down the line, just won't. The other thing is, and be careful with doing that, putting your hands up on top here, because sometimes the knife can slip and people can cut themselves. So, but you can sort of give it a little bit of a dice. So this is how you dice up, and basically you go like this over and over again, and you can go as fine as you want, like right down to making a mushy paste. And if it ever gets a little, if you need to move things around, use the back of the knife so you don't blunt the blade.